have to get off up at the water tower, and then we have to get back on because I wanted to take the whole ride.
Yeah.
I don't know what they do.
I may sit through it.
Yeah.
As you can tell, our first item of business is to back up to the north end of the site. Very shortly, we will come to a complete stop and then reverse direction. Meanwhile, we're about to ride past the back shop. If heavy work had to be done to steam locomotives, they would be brought to this next building coming up here on the east side of our train. As I said, it's called the back shop. Constructed in 1905, that building was the largest industrial building in all of North Carolina at that time.
Wow.
Roughly speaking, this building has the ground space of 2 football fields laid end to end. In this building, heavy teardown and repair work for the locomotives was performed. Now that included overhaul, which is major machine work. It is estimated that up to 15 steam locomotives could all be completely rebuilt at the same time in there. They were able to do this thanks to an overhead crane system. Engines brought in the south end of the building could literally be picked right up off the rails and moved from workstation to workstation. Currently, the museum is conducting a major fundraising campaign to restore the back shop. When it's completed, this building will showcase the history of transportation from earliest times to modern day here in North Carolina. Even today, if you look through those windows long enough, you can never be quite sure what you might see next in there.
It might be in the transportation part here. We got it. Maybe it's out being reconstructed.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, he's on airline.
Oh my Lord, look at that. I'm surprised to see that.
Yeah, there's
So you know something's big when it's got a plane inside.
the wings are right there.
Wow.
I see the wings.
Well, now that we're clear of the back shop, the next building over on the east side of our train, the big gray metal building with the room exhaust fans on it, is called the paint shop. Well, actually, the paint shop is the new kid on the block, converted and moved here in 1920. This building replaced another that was burned down in a very mysterious fire. In just a moment, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be riding past Barber Junction Depot Visitor Center, which is coming up on the west side of our train. Barber Junction Depot is celebrating its 111th anniversary this year. It was built back in 1898, but it was originally located 12 miles west of us over in the town of Barber. Barber was the site of the intersecting lines of the